Probamos audio, a ver si te llega, Jorge. Bien. Uno, sí, 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 este también. Vale.
For computer? No, 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 no. No, please. Whatever. No, no, I will use this one. Just let me just test. Okay. Tá, tá. Uh, can we start? Can we start? Henrique, can we start? Okay. Good afternoon. We came with a hack that we called Relight Hack. We had one idea, Internet of Things. So we went to get a thing. I think that is already available on stores. We paid $20 for it. It has a Bluetooth connection, and next we wanted the internet, the second ingredient. But wait, internet is not enough. We need a platform. So we use Rethink platform, a platform from one of the sponsors. To get this overall picture, we wanted to control the light bulb that I have here through the Rethink platform, controlling it through the browser. Okay, we have here a deeper architecture of the way Rethink works. Rethink works with the concept of hypertext. The hypertext runs, one of the hypertext controls the Bluetooth protocol to communicate with the lamp, and another hypertext runs on the browser to give commands to the lamp. I will try to showcase to demo the hack. Hope everything will go right. Let's do it. So here I will run the hypertext that controls the lamp with Bluetooth connectivity. It will register with the lamp I have here. It's ready. You can see there, but it's ready. So I already have loaded the Hyper-T of the browser. Oh, sorry, I forgot. The Hyper-T has an endpoint that has to be copied to the other side. And has to be pasted here. At this point, eventually the browser will change the light of the lamp, as you can see. It is working. So I think we did accomplish the objective that we proposed. Very good afternoon. Thank you all.
Espera aí que não consigo encontrar a apresentação. Isto morreu. Está aqui. Hello everyone. We are Tiago and he's Luís. And we are presenting Athos, which is a matrix-based shopping assistant. We use technology by Matrix, by TADHack, and the data provided by Carrefour to build this assistant. And well, Matrix this is my first presentation, so bear with me. It's a decentralized open source chat. It's got pretty strong encryption end to end. Well, it supports end-to-end encryption. It's optional, and it supports multiple platforms. It can be used through the browser. It can be used with native apps. It can be used with programmatical support. So we can write bots for it. We can write applications that take user input and reply to it, and that work with group chats and with private chats. And as I said, yeah, it's easily expandable, so we can take it and build whatever we want with it. Carrefour provided us this database with purchase data for 2 stores for a pretty big time interval, so we've got a lot of tickets. It's quite limited data. We've got the short name for each product. We've got the price and the amount purchased, and we've also got the date for the purchase and a client ID if it's provided. If it's not, I believe it's when the client has purchased with a customer card, so he gets his purchase connected to his customer ID. So we thought we would build a platform where we could search for products within the database. We could search for the popularity of each product, and also the contact info for stores. We used the Carrefour website for that. We hacked together it's not an API. it's a bit hacked together, but it works. So I'm gonna demonstrate the way we connected. So we built a matrix. It's this one. We built a matrix bot that can be joined in any sort of room, or it can work in a private chat like this. And we send commands to it, and it replies to us with whatever we asked. So right now we asked for the cheapest wine. We asked in Spanish because apparently the stores are in Spain, so the products are in Spanish. So we're just searching for the cheapest wine. Everyone wants to know that. So we got 5 results, and we searched for expensive cheese. So we've got a list of 5 cheeses that were in the database. We can also search for an interval of prices. So we searched for rags between 3 and 5 euros, and as I said, we can also analyze the popularity of things. We can also search for store contact info. So in here, we search for the Spanish Carrefour info. So we've got the link for the websites, and for other countries, they provide the customer service links. And we can also search for popularity. So we took all the data, we analyzed the frequency of each purchase, and in this case, the most purchased cheese is this one. We can also search for popular wine, for instance, and we get another list, which is usually populated by the lowest price ones, as we noticed. It's taking a while because people in Spain apparently buy a lot of wine. So here we go. So yeah, this is our the way we implemented this bot. It's pretty simple, but it's a proof of concept that we built with the limited information we had. Of course, if we had a full database with the product images and reviews, we could have implemented in here. We could add a lot more info if it was provided. So then we took this and we thought, well, we thought, TADHack's provided us with RESTCOM, which is a SMS and also voice and MMS, but we used SMS API. It's a RESTful API, so it's pretty simple to implement stuff with it. Just need to send it request. It sends the SMS. Someone sends it an SMS, and we receive an HTTP request with the SMS content and who sent it. So we decided we would join them together. So if you saw the Matrix presentation, you learned about bridges, which are ways to connect a service like RESTCOM or like WhatsApp or whatever with the Matrix environment, and it works in a sort of seamless way. So you can't distinguish between a Matrix user and a bridged user, which was also being used for the TADHack Matrix room, which was connected to Slack. So it has zero code connection to existing services. That means that we can connect RESTCOM to Matrix. We built our bots using Matrix, and it works for cell phone users, browser users, and SMS. So we're going to demonstrate it. So we made a bridge between RESTCOM, SMS, and Matrix. So as you can see in here, we've got a room where we've got me, and we've got Athos, which is our bot, and we've got a virtual user, which is called RESTCOM _ and a phone number, which is a Portuguese phone number, which is my number. So if we send it using, here's my phone. If we send it a command, it will immediately send it, and then, well, yeah, there we go. It sent the command to the bot. For some reason, I think Matrix froze because they're talking inside this room, but for some reason they're not. Yeah. So there seems to be some lag issues with Matrix right now. Yeah, we've got a help command. So what's happening here is Matrix. This Matrix room has the Athos bot, and it has the SMS virtual user. So when we send a message to the Athos phone number, it will send a message to the Matrix room, and the bot will respond in the Matrix room, and then the virtual user will capture that response, and it will send it back to the phone. So it can be applied for many things. We can build very flexible systems with this, and we found it quite interesting because we don't need to implement this for SMS or for web or for whatever. We can make most of the logic for a generic service like Matrix, and then Matrix work with anything we want. In this case, SMS, but it could have been anything else. We could have put it in the TADHack Slack room. So sorry. Yeah. Do you have any questions? This was our presentation. Thank you very much. There's the source code is available for everything. The SMS bridge source code is not completely ready, so it's not been committed yet, but we'll commit it later today. So yeah, you can check it out and pull request if you want. Yeah, thank you. Does anyone have any questions? No? Oh, thank you. Okay.
Pode deixar isto aqui, vamos precisar a seguir. Depois o dela.
Queres dar o. Queres mandar o link do drive e apresentas aqui? Para depois pôr a demo? Depois trocas. Depois trocas.
Sim, obrigado.
Você tem áudio?
Não. Vamos ficar assim. All right, hi everyone. We are Team Vintage Team Link, and we are going to present our project that we've developed during this TADHack. So our idea had a problem first. So let's say we have Alice here, which is organizing a party, and she usually uses a lot of social media, such as Skype, WhatsApp, let's say Hangouts, and any other. So she doesn't have all of these on her computer. So because some of them are just for phone applications. So what she does is she uses the Rethink app to communicate with each of one of these platforms seamlessly, and she only needs to have one browser, so she doesn't need to install any app. So she just uses Rethink for that. So that way she can communicate with all of her friends. But Alice also has another problem, which is her grandmother. Her grandmother doesn't use internet, so she doesn't know what internet is. And she wants to know everything about the party. So there's a problem here, which is how is Alice gonna introduce Trudy in this case to the party, and so that she can also be part of the arrangements. So in this case, Trudy uses a Nokia 3310, which is really old, and this is the only platform that she knows. She refuses to use anything else than her trusty Nokia. And there's like one problem here, which actually the image is wrong. She doesn't supposed to be happy yet. So Rethink doesn't know how to speak to cell phones yet. So there, this is where we come into place. So there's like the three hackers had got one great idea, trying to use TADHack stack in order to interchange these two technology, Rethink and telestacks, in order to help Alice communicate with Trudy. So this way, Trudy is able to communicate to Alice. And now Trudy is also on Reddit and like to prove people wrong because she can from her cell phone. So yeah, awesome. Okay, that's our presentation.
So now for the demonstration.
Exactly.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
So it's on the wrong side. So is this? I'm a pretty grandma, also myself, it seems. Okay. Aha. Okay. So this is the Hyper-T. Actually, here the resolution is too small, so it's a little bit complicated to fit the app in here. But let's try. This is the Rethink group chat Hyper-T. I don't know if you all saw it in the applications. For example, they have for you. This is one of them. So here, for example, I am going to access with my account. I want to make a party with a friend of mine, so I will ask. This friend of mine is also in the Rethinks platform.
Let's say this is grandma.
Yeah. No, this is not grandma. Grandma has a cell phone. Okay. Something not quite right. Okay. So here I'm going to create a new chat. And who I'm going to chat with. So I will call the chat barbecue, which it's what I want to do. So I will put my friend here. And then I will put, for example, my Grandma Trudy. And also for a proof of concept, I don't know if any of you wants to tell me your number, I can put it so you can testify or not testify, as this may go wrong. If not, okay, so I can just...
We are just exploiting the free telestack stack for now.
Yes.
So we can send everyone.
So I put it here on the table so it can, so when it vibrates it makes a lot of noise. Okay. So I create the chats, and when I send a message,
the internet is slow.
okay, yeah, there you go, notification.
Right. So we also have the reply message working, but for some reason right now it doesn't display on the web page right there. So we can also send messages from the cell phones, and it will show up in the message chat. But for now It's the only thing that works.
Yeah, future work.
Yeah.
So this is all. I hope you enjoyed it. Our presentation.
Anyone that wanna buy our solution, just speak to us.
Yes. Yeah,
Thank
we'd
you.
like to thank to Telestacks and the Rethink project for being here and helping us, and also
Especially for the really
all
good
of you,
help.
Ellen, for the great all. So all this comes ready, even the bus that only has to transport one person.
I think we found many bugs today and yesterday, especially in Rethink Stack. Some of them in Telestacks, but minor bugs.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ai, isso não está preciso. Como é que és fazer isto? É preciso para a gente só entrar naquele endereço.
Qual é o endereço?
IP4, é isso.
Dá-me só um minuto.
Tu entras primeiro. Melhor. Não, daquela. Aquela fica assim. Só fazer step. Mas só a gente entra daqui, que fica na rede local.
Esse é preciso.
Novo. É preciso para eles serem novos na rede do TED.
194.
Rede do TED do Wi-Fi e 888.
Espera. 194, 210. Ponto. 234. 206. É isto?
Sim, e porta 8888. 4 vezes 8.
Porta.
Open Broadcast e é preciso isso para a gente. Eles têm tempo, não são? Ok. This is Chrome or?
Chrome.
Okay,
Pode ser?
that's good. Oh. Yeah. Oh, cool. So can you enter in this address, please? So wait. Yeah. 1 minute. Oh. Oh. 1 minute. Okay, can you use my computer, please? I don't know. This is bad. Mm. One minute or two. Okay, ready. It's strange. When I have a problem, some problem, I don't know what. Okay, I don't know, but it works with local host and doesn't work with public IP for this network, and so I will use just local host, I think. Okay, so what I did, one browser, Chromium. Actually, I never tested it in the network, so maybe there's something wrong. Localhost. So I can broadcast video for other users, like for me, in two browsers. Yeah, and other users can give me some cookie, like here, and I can eat it. Yeah, I did it. So, very simple app. Some problem with performance, but if I can use it for like rewrite it in Java instead of JavaScript, it will work better. Yeah. So some cookie.
That's actually good for my conferences. Good idea.
Yeah, because I run too much things here. Like, if I run only one browser, it's okay, but two browsers and server is pretty slow. Okay, one browser is bad. No. Yeah. Okay. Now it works. Yeah. Slow. Sorry.
Almost there.
I don't know. It's really slow. I don't know. Like without like projector, it works better. But with projector and my screen, it probably video plug the video. I don't know. Yeah, did it. So just it.
Try to rotate your laptop because it's getting too much light from the backlights
Oh yeah.
or like that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
No, it's not perfect, but it's bad. Okay, I don't know. Actually, it works better when I tested it in my computer. It works better, and there is broadcast also. But sorry, I don't know, some configuration for for network.
teleconferences.
Okay.
What technologies did you use to build this?
Socket.io, some library for computer vision, which name of the library is WebRTS. Library for computer vision is 1 minute. Where's library? You know. This library. For computer vision, GitHub, thanks. Already did it. Start and watch. Yeah. Okay, thanks.